In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to reset your Dell monitor to factory settings. So this works for models including U, P, S, SE, E series as you can see, and also Alienware monitors just so you know. And the step number one, you're going to turn on the monitor, so make sure your Dell monitor is powered on and properly connected to your computer or power source just so you know. Step number two, open the on-screen display OSD menu. Press any of the physical buttons on the monitor, usually on the bottom or right edge, to bring up the OSD. A menu should then appear on the screen. Step number 3. Navigate to Others or Menu Settings. So use the arrow buttons to scroll through the menu. Look for a section labeled Others, Settings, or Factory Reset. Wording may vary slightly by model, just so you know. Step number 4. Select Factory Reset. Once you find the factory reset or reset to default option, then you're just going to select it, confirm the reset when prompted. And then step number 5, exit the menu. After the reset is complete, the monitor will then return to its default settings. Exit the menu using the on-screen instruction or physical buttons. And by the way, here's some bonus tips that is important to know. For touchscreen Dell monitors, use the on-screen touch buttons instead of physical ones. If your monitor doesn't display anything at all, try a different cable or input source first. For Alienware or gaming monitors, the reset option may be under personalize or display settings just so you know. But basically this is exactly how to do this.